In some roof designs, using the roof by perimeter option will not give you the correct roof design, even if the roof follows the shape of the walls. In these cases, we must use the roof by picking points tool. In a design that calls for parallel gable roofs, we need to create two separate roofs that will sit side by side. However, Envisioneer will always try and merge roof edges that overlap, so we must make sure that they do not overlap. In the example we are using, a 40-foot by 25-foot rectangular structure has been created. We will add our parallel gables to this structure. Let's first start by understanding the roof properties that we are going to be using. Again, we do not want the edges of our roof to merge, so we must make sure that they do not overlap when inserted. We're going to select the Roofs button, and then in the catalog, we're going to select the roof that we are going to be using. And in this case, we're going to use the 612 slope hip roof. I'm going to double click on that, and this will bring up the properties of the roof. We want to take notice of the overhang. This is the value that we want to take note of. So right now we can see that the overhang is set to 1 foot 4 inches. We're going to select cancel. Now that we have the overhang value, we can now map out exactly where we want the roof lines in our model. We're going to type in L on our keyboard, or if you like to use the menus, you can select Tools, Layout, and Line. The line command is now active, and we're going to put our cursor over the back wall so that it sits right over the middle. As soon as you see the circle with an X, that lets you know that that is the midpoint of that wall. We're going to left click once, drag our mouse down, and then we're going to left click again once we are past the exterior wall. We're going to right click and we're going to select finish. We've now essentially split our design into two. We're going to use that line. We're going to select it, right click, and we're going to select offset. We're going to type in 1 foot 4 inches, and then we're going to say OK, and we're going to left click to the left of that line. We're going to do this one more time with the line still selected. We're going to right click, offset, and that 1 foot 4 value should still be enabled, and we're just going to simply select OK, and then we're going to click to the right of that line. These new lines are going to be our guidelines for our roof by picking points command. We're now going to go up, and we've already selected the roofs option, so all we need to do now is use the drop down beside roofs button and select roof by picking points, or under insert roofs, select the roof by picking points. Select the 612 slope roof. Bring your mouse into the left upper corner of the wall, right in the middle of the core, left click once, and then you're going to snap it to the line that we've added in. We're going to left click again, move our mouse down, and we're going to snap it following that red line to the center of the wall below. And we're going to left click once again. We're going to move our mouse to the left, and we're going to snap it to the left corner, and we're going to left click once again. We're going to right click and select finish, and that adds in our first roof. The roof that we added in is going to be a hip roof, so we do need to convert this to be a gable. So we're going to make sure that we select the bottom and the top arrows. We're going to right click properties, and we're going to change the roof shape from a hip to a gable. And then we're just going to say OK. That creates our first gable roof. Now we just need to duplicate this roof over to create our double gable. So I'm going to select the roof, right click, duplicate. I'm going to use this top left corner as my start point. I'm going to left click once. Attached to my cursor is going to be the roof, and I'm going to snap it to the line that we've added in, and that creates our double parallel gable roof. We can get rid of the lines that are in our design by simply selecting them and pressing delete, and we can look at our model in 3D to see our parallel gable roof. We hope this tooltip helps you moving forward. If you like what we are creating, press the like button and be sure to subscribe for future videos. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you very much.